The following video shows you how to carry out a quick bleed on your Gustav Pro disc brake. You can find information about the tools you will need in the video description. Fast bleeding can only be carried out if it is a new bike, a new brake, or the brake pads and brake rotors have been replaced, or the transport device is inserted with the thick side between the pistons. Use a syringe with a hole at the 24 mm or 30 mm mark and fill it with 15 mm or 20 ml of oil and an air cushion of 3 to 5 mm. The brake master of the Gustav Pro only has a bleed port on one side, on the top of the right brake master. Depending on the orientation of the brake master, it must therefore be rotated for bleeding so that the bleed port is on the upper side. Align the brake master horizontally. The EBT screw should be the highest point of the system. Remove the EBT screw with a T25 tool. Press the syringe into the EBT opening. Draw the syringe up to just below the hole. Then lightly press the oil back into the brake master. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times and let the brake lever snap 3 to 4 times. In the last step, pull the plunger of the syringe over the hole and allow the oil level to drop. Press lightly on the syringe again and then pull it back over the hole. Wait again until the oil level has dropped. Now cover the hole with your finger and carefully remove the syringe. Before putting the syringe down, press the plunger over the hole so that no oil can escape. Make sure that the oil is up to the top edge of the EBT opening. Then screw in the EBT screw flush and tighten it with a torque of 0.5 Newton meters. Check the brake for function and leakage. If the function is not satisfactory, please follow the instructions for filling and bleeding. Alternatively, in extreme cases when fast bleeding, it can help to fill the syringe with less oil, but the same air cushion in order to be able to draw a stronger vacuum. You'll find more information in the service section at magura.com. Your Magura dealer will also be glad to help you. If you have specific questions, you can also contact us via the chat feature on our social media channels.